My name is Gladys Mosomtai, born and raised in Kenya. I'm 30 years old and I'm currently doing my PhD at International Center of Insect Physiology and Ecology. And my work is looking at impact of climate change and landscape structure, which is driven by anthropogenic activities and how that is influencing population dynamics of many coffee pests and diseases. The most interesting part of my work is that I'm making use of earth observation, which is big data, and to really understand the landscape, to map out the coffee systems and farming systems, and then to be able to help farmers at the end in helping them to adapt to climate change and improve their productivity. One of the most interesting things about my work, which I think would be one of the skills that I'll be coming into NEF, is the use of big data and use of artificial intelligence. One of my methods that I'm currently working on is looking at how we can use deep learning to really be able to map out this farming systems using remote sensing data. Why I would want to be a NEF ambassador is that NEF is in line with the things that I'm really passionate about. I am passionate about empowering women into STEM, just to see that we have more women in Africa who are joining science and technology, engineering, mathematics. I would like to be a role model to many of these young girls, especially in the village where they're not reached out, to be able to see that they too have the potential. I'm also really passionate about bridging the gap between policy and science. We see the current state is that a lot of policies in Africa are not science driven, rather than they're based on political affiliations. And if I can be able to bridge this gap and make a difference in this in that space, is something that would be really I would have made great strides. And NEF is that platform, with all the platforms, with Policy Institute, with the community of fellow scientists like-minded like myself who want to bridge this gap. It would be interesting to really be part of such a movement that is making a difference in science and in Africa, and I would really want to be part of it. Thank you.